AppointOMatic Review and Demo. Traditional appointment scheduling systems are obsolete, resulting in drop in qualified leads and loss of time, money and efforts. It's time to start helping your customers to create online meeting systems like a pro. The majority of local businesses, marketers, freelancers, doctors and dentists have experimented with various appointment scheduling systems and online booking platforms, but failed. Why? The cost of developing such a scheduling system is higher. They will need to hire a developer or an agency to develop this online booking functionality. They must pay recurring fees to online appointment scheduling service providers or make significant investments in appointment booking software. And so on. This is where AppointOMatic comes in. AppointOMatic is the most advanced online meeting scheduler that you can propose to your customers to schedule their web events, booking forms and booking funnels and help them to generate qualified leads without any hassle. This app is heavily loaded with powerful features to begin scheduling online meets in no time. The front-end price of this app is $32 and comes with 4 upsells. If you purchase through my link, I will throw in 11 custom bonuses free of charge. They will be delivered upon purchase and link will be provided to you on the sales page. The bonuses consist of super affiliate marketing edges, top affiliate tactics, the successful entrepreneur, becoming an expert at copywriting, create your own products in 5 easy steps, viral master list builder software, keyword swarm software, fast content producer software, building the perfect sales funnel, TubeJacker, rank any YouTube video on Google in 72 hours and advanced SEO techniques. AppointOMatic is an amazing app that any marketer would want in their arsenal. Click the link in the description for details and enjoy this demo of the app in action.
Hey there! Welcome to the demo video of AppointOMatic. Now in this quick demo, I'll show you how you can quickly create appointment booking and lead generating campaigns for any business in a matter of minutes. So first, let us log into AppointOMatic. Now you see, once we've logged in, this is how the dashboard will look the first time you log in. Now you can get started in just a few minutes. So first, here's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and add our integrations, and then we're going to link our calendar, our Google Calendar, right here. Now you can see I've quickly linked my Google Calendar. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the dashboard and we're going to go ahead and add an event type. And here you can go ahead and set up your availability. For example, if you're available from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., well, you can set that up right here. And you can also add a buffer time between your meetings. Pretty simple, right? So let's quickly create a new event type right here. So I'm going to create a 30-minute yoga consultation session, and then I'm even going to set up a payment option by connecting PayPal or Stripe. Now you can even choose to hide this page so it can be booked only through a direct URL. And you can also add more details by clicking on the edit button right here. And you can select the type of meeting. So you might have in-person, phone, or Google Meet. So I'm choosing in-person meeting for this demo, and I'll give the full address of the actual address. Now, you can choose the currency and you can go ahead and set the pricing right here. Now, you can customize multiple settings here for this particular event. So in the Schedule tab, this is where you can set up the minimum booking notice and your day's availability. You can also set up your autoresponders and your webinar tools right here. Now, you can even customize the design of your event page. You can choose an event template of your choice, add your branding, add the video embed code that you want to display, and so much more. Now, under the Notifications tab, you can customize the notifications that your customers should receive when they make a booking. And you can even create your event page in the language of your choice by doing custom settings. We also have Facebook share settings and external scripts, which you can add if you need them. So let's go ahead and take a look at the page that we just created. You see, this is what your customers will see. Now they can choose a date and the slot very easily from here. And they can then go and fill in their details, make the payment, and confirm their booking, and they're going to go ahead and receive an email. Now, you'll also have the details of the booking right here. And they even have the option to reschedule or cancel their appointment from here as well. Now, under the Orders section, you can manage all the paid bookings. And here, you can manage the availability and create new event types. Now, under the Analytics section, you can see event-wise analytics, including the number of appointments, the meeting types, and so on. You can even view the completed, scheduled, and canceled events separately. Then, under the settings, you can get the embed code for each event that you've created. You can also set up payment methods, autoresponder, and SMTP integrations right here. So you just saw how easy it was to create appointment booking pages using AppointOMatic. You see, this is a much needed service, especially for local businesses. Now, we can't wait to see you grow your leads and businesses using AppointOMatic. And I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Check out the rest of this page, and we'll see you on the inside.